It's time to budget for February. Hi and welcome back. I'm Kamika and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today we're going to budget for February, and if you're new here, February is a big month for us. My husband and I were both born in February. You have Valentine's Day, and we got married 6 days before my birthday. So we have a lot of stuff to do, but I don't know that we planned properly, so let's see. Okay, so to start it off, we're going to empty our next month category, and we have $3,650 to work with. Let's go ahead and I want to do auto assign for my monthly bills to get that out of the way. Don't want to click the loans. Let's do underfunded. Okay, so let me just double check everything. It didn't put anything for internet. I wonder why. Oh, because it says eventually. So let's see. I may need to adjust this target. What is the target? Let's do a need for spending, and I think it's $119 actually. Okay, so now we can just add the 119. Okay, good to go there. That's why I always double check when I'm doing auto assign. Gas, we have too much, but I think I'm gonna leave it for now. I can come back if we need it, or if I want to use it somewhere else. Everything else looks good. Okay, so for mortgage, $1,407.91, and then later throughout the month I'll add that $169 here so that we can make an extra principal payment. Home maintenance and repairs is already funded. Groceries, we need $400 because we're doing 100 a week. Restaurants, $150, and I have a little extra here because we didn't spend all of our restaurants budget in January, so we'll have a little bit of extra money for February, which is good. Now let's do spending money. Random number between 25 and 80.
The answer is 76.
Wow. So I usually do a random number between 25 and 75, but I noticed that the range never gets us up to $70 or $75. So I decided to ask her to go between 25 and 80 just to see if it would get it a little bit higher, and it did. So I know Kara's gonna be excited to get $76. So that'll be $76 for both of us. Household goods is 100, miscellaneous 200, entertainment is 50. Had a little bit, $2 left over there, so that's cool. We don't want to put anything towards school yet. We only have $388.78 left because we got so much spending money this month. So let's see how we want to do this. For my once per year category, I want it to be $500 total. So let's go ahead and put the $52 here. So we'll just keep this at 500, and then every time one of those once per year things comes out, we'll just rebuild it. And I know that we're gonna have to use it in February because we have to get our car registrations, 2 car registrations, since we're both born in that month. So we will be refilling this either towards the end of February or beginning of March. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and fully fund that. And if you're curious, car registration is $20 in Georgia. But when I bought my car in 2011, I had the option to do ad valorem tax up front or to pay it when I get my registration every year. And I chose to pay it when I get my registration every year. So we paid $20 for Kara's registration, and then mine should be about $90, which isn't too bad. But yeah, that's why it's not 20 and 20. Okay, so we have $336.78 left. I know I want to put something towards medical, and we bought tires last month for Kare's car. So our car maintenance and repairs category is down. Also, we're going on a trip in April that we need to save a lot more money for. So I think I'm going to, let's do the $36.78 for medical, just because there's so much money here currently. I know medical bills are gonna start coming in, but there's a lot of money here for now. And then we have $300 left. Let's split it evenly between our treat yourself category and car maintenance and repairs. So let's see, 150 and 150. Okay, so we didn't add anything to emergency fund in this budget with me. We currently have the $2,494.57, and I know our emergency fund should probably be more than that, but being that we live on last month's income, and then I also have 2 months of our mortgage sitting in the account for our mortgage, in addition to what I just put in there, plus the home maintenance and repairs money, I'm building the emergency funds a little bit slower than I would if I didn't have that money. So there's that, and this is our budget for February. So I've seen some comments asking about our savings and how we save money, being that we don't talk a lot about savings during the budget with me videos. So on Instagram, I've been posting Transfer Tuesdays, which is where we make at least one money move towards our financial goals every week. That is where you can see how I distribute all of our extra money that we have left over in our budget. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. It's Well Balanced Wallet. And if you want to learn more about the budget software that I use, which is Ynab, click the link on your screen right now. See you there.